It's been a few weeks since our last upload, so today we're sharing a fishing trip from earlier this month. Hope you enjoy coming along. After the rain, Sam made a last-minute decision to head out to Irvine Lake for a couple of hours of afternoon fishing on his own, curious to see whether the storm had stirred the fish into biting. By the time he arrived, most people were already packing up and heading out. Still, he met two guys who had been catching fish steadily.
8 pound.
It's sick.
8.6.
Yeah.
Wow, lightning trout.
Yeah, I got him.
What'd you catch it on?
Power
Power worm. Wow, congratulations. Wow. 8.6. Lightning trout on a power worm. Amazing. That should make a good meal. And that sucker's huge and beautiful. Gorgeous day. Temperatures in the mid-60s. The water fairly clear. Most fishermen left already, so there's a few left. So I'm having one on a rainbow power bait and the other ones on pink mice tail with a white head. We're gonna stay here a few, maybe 15 minutes if no bite. Gonna relocate into that area where they just left by that picnic table. Well, we'll see what happens. Try throwing a spoon along the shore. Nothing's taken. So walking back to check my line over there. Doesn't look like there's anything. The water has coming up considerably. The weeks before it came up around 10 to 15 feet. And this rain from yesterday apparently bring back another 5 feet or so. So we're getting pretty close to the second part where you can drive. Well, you can't drive in here, but where the guy with the golf cart and stuff like that, where you can ride bike. And then after that, the T over there. So yeah, hopefully a couple more storms fill this lake up. This guy's been getting bite. In just a couple of minutes they came here. Oh, he got it. Oh wow, they're not that far, huh?
Wait. Chill. Don't step back. Real. If you said chill, Real. I just got bit and then he got bit. I was getting bit on night crawlers. Don't snap it. Be careful.
Awesome, congrats, man.
Thanks, bro.
That's a good looking fish. Look at that.
Wow.
The fish is still in there.
Nice.
Crawler?
No power bait.
Power bait.
The mice tail?
Yeah.
On the ultralight. Oh, it's so much fun.
Wow, that guy's just, it's good fighting.
It's so much fun.
Yeah, it's a golden.
It's so much fun on the ultralight, bro.
I mean, it's a lightning trap.
Damn, low key, this is my first lightning trout.
Oh, they are starting to bite.
It is a lightning, dude.
Yeah.
On your chair.
Oh, there it is. It's getting closer here.
Small?
It's a decent size, about the same size as the other one.
Oh, I was just waiting for everybody to leave from over here.
It's the fisherman.
Calm down, Bubba.
Yeah, it is. Look at that. Awesome. Back to back within 5 minutes.
Right?
Yeah. Just don't, as long as you don't lift them. You can just drag them.
That one? Should I grab one? You got it. Pick it up.
Look at that.
Come on, Dad.
I know you guys told me your name last time, but I forgot already. What's your name? Brandon?
Devin. I think it's
Devin, yeah.
Sam?
Oh, it's
There. Back to back. Hey, keep this going. Gonna be the limit pretty fast. Is it still on there, Brandon?
Yeah.
Is it on that 2-pound line, huh?
No, not
No? Woo! Look at that fight. Look at that fight. Near net? Or you can just yank it up there. Power bait? Doesn't look like it.
No.
Are we going catfishing after this?
Jeez, Bubba, you fired up.
Are we going catfishing today?
We could.
Oh, this one look like it's a hole over. Look at the tail and stuff. Oh,
Beautiful.
yes, pretty.
Oh, wow. Dad, that
Yeah.
was gorgeous.
All of a sudden, 4, right?
Yeah.
6 more to go. There you go, baby. So Brandon has been killing it with the salmon peach power bait, and so far I haven't got any bite yet. I'm waiting for the afternoon bite. So apparently I'm using the exact same thing. So hopefully the fish swim this way. Got one, no skunk. So we have another 30 minutes to go for they telling us to leave. Most people leave already. There's only a few people left. And we'll see if we can catch one more before we go. Look like it's raining over there. Fortunately, it's not raining here. Catching one nice one over there. Cutting on a spoon. That's a good spot right there. 8 out of 10 times that's where I end up fishing with Marks and Paul. Now they're kind of chunky. They're not that long, but they're chunky. Catching another one over there, all on a spoon.
From our experience, fish tend to bite best in the early morning and again in the afternoon. Sam came out in the afternoon and managed to catch 2, but the fishermen nearby were in a great spot and pulled in quite a few. Overall, it turned out to be a solid day of fishing at Irvine Lake. We're hoping to come back a few more times before trout season wraps up here in SoCal.